If you want to know how you can hide or unhide apps on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just open the Settings app, and in Settings, just tap on Home Screen. Now from here, just scroll down, and under the Home Screen settings, you will find the section of Hide Apps on Home Screen and App Screen. Just tap on it, and from here, just select the apps which you want to hide. For an example, I will select these apps, and after you select the apps which you want to hide, then tap on Done to save. And once you do that, you will hide the selected apps from your home screen and from your app drawer. Now to unhide the hidden apps, just go to Settings and tap on Home Screen. Under the Home Screen settings, just tap on Hide Apps on Home Screen and App Screen. And over here, just tap on the minus icon over the app which you want to unhide. For an example, I will unhide these selected apps, then tap on Done to save. And once you do that, you will find the apps on your app drawer, and you can drag them down to your home screen, just like that. And this is how you can hide or unhide apps on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.